Hey, foodies! This is Peter Carpizzos, and you know what? It's raining pizza today in our house. So here we go. I've already made this beautiful rosemary dough, which Anthony is showing you right now. And what we're going to do, because it's raining pizza, we are going to build this puppy up. Okay, first thing you want to do is get some olive oil on your dough. And then get yourself a good pastry brush like this. And you're going to get it all nice and lubricated all over the place here. Get it all over because that is going to be your base on your pizza dough. Okay? And this is already risen and everything, and we're just getting it all around here. Nice, just do it. You know, if you get some on the pan, who cares? You know, this is how it is. We do things to make ourselves happy, right? Okay, so here we go. Next up, we're going to put some sauce, okay? So next up we need to put some sauce. I have some marinara sauce I've already prepared, and I've taken it out, and we're going to put this. And if we run a little short, I've just diced up some more marinara sauce tomatoes, and we're going to add them here. Just like this, we're going to add it right on top, and maybe we'll add a couple or two, three of these tomatoes I have underneath our pan, right here, our San Marzanos, which I used, and we're going to take and we're going to add some of these right into here. And these haven't been seasoned or anything done. They're going to go with this sauce I have already on the pan. So we'll move it all around, we'll get the sauce, and, you know, Anthony likes things lots of different ways, and Anthony likes things that have a lot of sauce on them. So that's why we put more sauce on our pizza here than some people do when you go out to the pizza restaurant, right? Okay, so now we have our sauce ready to go.